Alright, in this video, I'll try to design a steel section properly by utilizing the proper weight of a section by defining ratio and selecting the optimized section in StatPro. Right now the section is ISLV 100. There's some sort of loads here. Well, it's self-weight and maybe some sort of floor load on top of here. And let me try to define a perform analysis and define just, I don't want to print anything, that's okay. I get into design, and this is absolutely steel design, IS 800 2007, and it's limit state design. Alright, the first thing that I would like to do here is I'm going to optimize the section by providing multiple ratios. In the normal case, we'll be providing a single ratio. Okay, ratio 1, analyze it. It might not utilize the section properly. Maybe the ratio might be less than 0.01, less than 0.5, or maybe it might fail. So I'm going to perform analysis based on multiple ratios. So the first thing is I'd like to define a parameter which is called this ratio, and the ratio can be like, maybe the starting ratio could be like 0.9. Add it. Then you can restrict the profile. Okay, I only want ISMB to be right there in my section. Add it. Next thing is I would like to select an optimized section based on the ratio provided there. Okay, after optimizing the section, I like to check code whether the section is adequate to carry up all this load provided in the code. After completing that, I like to define a ratio again. Then now the ratio is 1. So by providing multiple ratios, we can filtrate a large amount of section based on the interactive ratio provided. Once again, I can select the optimized section and check the code. Alright, now you can assign it to view right now, or you can specifically assign it to some other sections. Assign it to view, ratio, assign it to view. Right after, let's get into the command file. Wherever you see assign, select optimized, have to type perform analysis. Or you see select optimize, type perform analysis, and I can save it and I can run the analysis. And I can go to post-processing mode and get into utilization. Right here you can see all of these ISLB sections has been defined in the ISMB sections, as we know that I had restricted the section profile right into ISMB thing. So every section is defined as ISMB 75, and okay, I can update that property right there. And if you ever get into analytical model and get into the properties, you can see that ISMB 175 has been assigned to the section provided there. So that's the, also let's get into section database, and you can modify the section which you like. Role section, and this profile is I section. You can have ISMB, you can actually edit it, okay, and unlock it, and you can edit the numbers right there, and after editing, commit the change, or else you would like, you can add a new row. So maybe that new section will be right there on the table, which can be used for optimization. That's the first method.